Hi guys, my name is Shaman D'Souza and thank you for subscribing onto my YouTube channel. The reason I came online today is, or I'm uploading this video is, oh my god, what did I just do? So because I just wanted to upload this channel because I wanted to upload this channel and I feel, I feel very good about it. I feel nice talking about a certain topic and then, just uploading it randomly. And if there are people who like it and if they like what I say, so why not? Like just go with the flow. Because see, there are a lot of people out there like watching Netflix and stuff, and if I had to come with a topic like this, like any random topic, it could be anything. Passion and goal and this and that, so it is altogether just educating brains only, right? So what's the harm in that? Let's get started. Okay. So I'm so sorry about that. So the topic that I chose for today is passion, or passion, that's my topic. So how do you do? So okay, so there are a lot of people in the world, like they're going to tell you, do this, do that, Shaman, you should be this, and Shaman, you will be so rich, you should get that, seek that goal, get that degree and everything. But no one ever in life will tell you how to do it. Okay, they are just going to keep on nagging, keep on telling you, do this, do this, do this. No one is ever going to tell you how to do it. So here is what I learned, okay, out of my experience and thanks to this lockdown, because I was that young girl who was never ever serious in life nor bother about anything. I used to party like every day with my friends and I thought that was life. But no, there is a future. Understand? Now, everybody, I always to tell everybody, we all just have one life. Now, yeah, obviously that is true. We all have one life, but that doesn't mean that you're going to waste your day. See, there are times when you need to have that party kind of a thing, but not every day, and that is what I did was wrong. I wasted money. I did not know the value of money as well. I did not know the value of anything that I ever done. I was into such a beautiful company also, which I left because I had no knowledge. So the only important thing is, when you be with such people who can educate you in what manner to go in or in what direction to go, you will be somebody, or you will have a goal. Everybody in this world has a goal, has that one genius in him or her that they did not know. Like I didn't know about me, so I feel like there are a lot of others in this world who do not know what is their passion, and they are still trying to search or to understand what is my passion. Because at times, if I had to question my friends and I'm like, what are you passionate about, I would obviously have no answer. But if I had to ask them, even they had no answer. They were like, kya pata? I don't know. So yeah. So going back to my topic, passion is because see, I went through a very beautiful quote onto this YouTube thing. Obviously the YouTube channel. His name is Jay Shetty. He's a motivational speaker. So he's an author as well now. So he had a very beautiful saying. He said, passion is what makes you happy. But if your passion can make a 10% difference in someone's life, it becomes a purpose. How beautiful is that saying? So in case if my videos, if it goes outside, okay, on social media platform, and even if like a cent person, like 4, 5 or even 10 people could see it, and if this could impact their life in a way, or if they could get that that one push or that one spark, I would feel so blessed. See, I'm not saying that you're going to get money or you're going to make money out of this YouTube thing. No, but this is what is making me happy. And I'm happy about it. Like, see, everything, as I said, everything takes time, okay? Nothing is going to come to you in 1 week. Chalo, Shaman ne ek video bana diya, upload kiya. No, it's not going to happen that way. I need to keep, if I am so dedicated about this, I have to keep on going. See, obligations are going to come, obstacles are going to come, there are going to be naysayers in my life, there are going to be people saying that, ye ladki, because obviously till yesterday they did not know who I was, and today I am a changed person, today I am a different person. So in the same way, in the same manner, even you out there, in case if you do not know what is your passion, you need to just sit down, write it down, just see what you are really interested in, see what is that one thing that keeps you going, see that what is that one thing that you really want to do. Okay, because if you are fearless, you can be limitless. Okay, you can just, there is no limit to it. And we live in the world of possibilities. That is what I believe in. Everything in this world is possible. I never had an idea, or I had never guts to come up with a channel or even to speak, because I was always constantly thinking, what will one say, what will one comment, and this and that. And because of that thought, I never ever did. But then just give it a push, just give it one step, just try it, and see, here today I am making this video. So my only message to all of you out there is, in case if you do not know what is it that you are passionate about, please sit down, write it down, just give it a thought, at least spare some time for yourself, other than watching only series and Netflix and this and that. I'm not blaming this side. The internet is any which ways to numb our brains, so you can even make use of it. You could educate it, use internet to educate your brains as well. And apart from that, I was saying that in case if you have found out what are you passionate about, just go for it. Just keep on trying and trying and trying, because nothing comes so easily. You have to struggle. Hurdles are going to come. Everything is going to come in your way. You will get sick and tired, but do not wait. Do not give up. Just keep on going and going, and one final day you'll be thankful to me. Not to me, but then I'm just saying, yeah. But one final day, obviously, it will benefit you, and I'm sure that you out there, you will also, spread the message of, motivating someone in their life. And that's about it. Signing off. Bye. Take care. Loads of love for all of you. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe on both my channel, share and like it. Thank you. Bye.